How you doing today, Kyle? This is Charles of 7883 SEO in Colorado Springs. First of all, thank you very much for letting me shoot this screencast of your guys' company. So what we do is we look at website health and how that relates to ranking organically on Google's front page. So what I did is I basically went to the Google search bar and I typed in car wraps Denver just to see what came up. I noticed you guys show up on the Google Map Pack, but I noticed that you guys don't show up organically. And so one of the first things that Google does for ranking is they look at content. And by the way, you guys, I've been through your website. You have a very nice website, very well built in the sense of presentation. Very beautiful. So I don't think, and I won't recommend anything really needing changed on that if we ever got to that point. But basically what Google does is they crawl these website pages, and the way they rank them is based on content. And what that entails is, okay, video and picture content, but also word and keyword content. And so I've been through just an example, the front page of your guys' website. It's got a ton of photo content, but I've checked these photos, they're not optimized, your videos aren't optimized. Within the video and the photo optimization, you can have keywords. You don't have any of that. The other thing I noticed, there's not a lot of word content itself. And so Google likes to see, on average, between 1,200 and 1,500 words of content on a front page of a website. Because what you're doing is you're looking for buyer intent keywords, and this is where the SEO comes in. So basically you pick your 10 top keywords, buyer intent keywords. And so essentially if you're going, 1,500 words, you only want a keyword about every 150 words, because if you start stuffing too much, then Google will hit you for it. But the problem is if you don't put enough, you're not going to get seen. So kind of that happy ratio is about one keyword per 150 words of content. So every subsequent page on a website usually needs around 500 to 750 words. I didn't see that. Now, the site itself is built really well. It's just really unoptimized, or very under-optimized compared to where it should be. One of the first things I'm going to do to show you what I'm talking about optimization-wise and SEO-wise is I'm going to go up to this program I use called Semrush. And what this does is this gives me all of your website's metrics. So you see right up here, I've got your link in here, and it's telling me the authority score of the website. It's kind of low. What that's telling me is that Google's not really trusting you for one reason or another. That could come down to lack of word content, lack of keywords, lack of backlinks, lack of domain age. I did see, your website, it's fairly new in comparison to some of the other ones. So that's a factor, but also the lack of content. The next thing is your backlinks. Your backlinks are pretty low. And what that means is, you've got referring domains, whether that's, say the news channel, magazine articles, blogs, guest posts, citations, things of that nature. It's other sites or other entities out there in the web that basically send traffic your way because they've used your name, whether that's talking about your company or a job you guys have done or something that gives you guys recognition. There's not a whole lot of backlinks on here. And so how that's reflected ultimately is organic search traffic. 22 is extremely low, and I'm going to show you your top competitor here in a minute. 22 is extremely low. You guys got 154 organic keywords. And with that, with those kind of keywords and only having search traffic, that's telling me your guys' website needs SEO and it's under optimized. So basically the keyword I used was car wraps Denver, and that's a big keyword. And so you guys are only coming in there. Your number one competitor under the same keyword up in your metro area has an authority score of 19, so their site's slightly better than yours in the sense of age, in the sense of keywords, in the sense of backlinks, and so on. So they've got 8 points above you on authority score, but their backlinks is 4 or 5 times, no, even more than that, 10 times, sorry about that, 10 times what you guys have. And so and how that's reflected ultimately, you see right here, organic search traffic. They have got, I mean, you guys had 22 and they've got 754. That's huge. And so I don't have, you guys know the industry. I know the industry. I mean, car wraps can range anywhere from, depending on the size of the job, anywhere from $3, $4, $5, $6, $7,000 a project. And so that's a lot of potential jobs being missed. The other thing, so if we go back real quick to yours, 154 keywords. You go down to them, they've got 1,294 keywords. And we can go in here and we can look at some of their traffic within those keywords. So car wrap Denver, and mind you, these keywords, these metrics are every month. So 480 volume, vehicle wraps Denver, 104 custom car wraps, 4.4 thousand vinyl wrap Denver, 110, things like that. So they've got a lot more search volume than your guys. I mean, we can go back, we can look at your search volume really quick just to give, a perspective on that. So, I'm looking, window wraps, car wrap Denver, 480. So you guys are getting some traffic there, but you're missing on as many keywords as they are. They're able to get more top ranking traffic because of the more keywords. So the next thing I want to talk about is I want to go to Citations. I ran campaigns against your guys' company and against Sterling Customs, who's your #1 competitor. So your guys' company has 17 citations, which are backlinks, but 39 opportunities, and Sterling is 27 and they have 29 opportunities. Now within that, the disclaimer is not every backlink is created equal. So some people, they'll build these things out and they'll order citations or backlinks that basically go nowhere. They're fluff, and Google can catch that. So you may have a company, that has 300, 400, 500 backlinks, and half of them are no good because they don't have any relevance to the industry. So based on the fact that Sterling outranks you in traffic, sorry about this, that they basically outrank you in that much traffic with that many backlinks, tells me that a third of their referring domains, those are good and they're going places, which drives it all back to here. So you've got your campaign. So the next thing I want to show you is your page speed insights. Okay, this is how fast your page, your website loads onto a computer or a cell phone. And 9 out of 10 times when a client is looking or doing a search, it's on a cell phone. So that's how it's formatted. This right here, this red, you're in a danger zone. This is in a zone you guys don't want to be. What this is telling me, you guys are under optimized. So SEO, optimizing your photos and videos, things of that nature, they need to be done. That's a huge concern. I had ran Sterling, they were at like a 68. 68 is about the average, so they're in kind of a happy zone. So I hope this helps you guys out. And if you guys are interested after watching the video, I'm going to leave this link in an email and my phone number. So you guys can either shoot me an email back or you guys can give me a call. I'll probably check back here in a few days, see what you guys think, see if we can do a follow-up conversation, whether that's in person or by phone, Zoom, whatever, see how we can help you guys out. Whoever built your website itself, beautiful, love the photos. You guys got a great layout, but you guys don't have enough word content, keywords, and they need optimized, and we can help with that. So if you guys are interested on doing that, organics, that helps with your long-term growth, not just the map pack, but long-term. And so this can get you on the front page if some of these things are done. If that's something you guys are interested in, give me a call. We can help you guys out, and we'd love to. So you guys enjoy the rest of your Memorial Day weekend, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.